right, who do we have here today?
I'm Jess.
And what are we doing, guys?
We're skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes with strangers today. Whose idea was this? So it's your fault if this goes wrong and we don't make it to her next birthday, even though her birthday's today.
Yeah, like
So if we don't make it to next year, any last words, final comments, or confessions?
live large.
What about you?
I'm pretty stoked.
We're gonna have a blast. If we don't make it for me, it's always the same. Take the computer, tablet, phone. Please burn all of it. Buried in the desert. The wife can have everything else. Let's go rock a skydive and have some fun out there, guys.
do it.
High five up top. Oh yeah, here we go. Woo! Oh boy, here we go. Ready? Holy cow. Let's get in, let's get up, let's get out. Rock a skydive. Made it back to the ground, birthday girl. What do you think of that?
It was so cool.
You doing that again someday?
Yeah, probably.
Maybe you'll get your commercial pilot's license. You'll be able to throw us out someday.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
I'll look forward to
Come back, see us again. I'll let you open the parachute next time for real.
Sweet, let's do it.
Woo! Happy birthday.